Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this one I'll be showing you how to turn on the always on display mode, also known as the AOD, and we'll also be taking a look at it. Okay, so to find the always on display mode, just simply pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says home screen and wallpaper. And here you will see always on display. And it just explains how it works and what it does. So the always on display displays information such as date, time, and alerts for calls and messages even when the screen is off. So go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so beneath it here, we have the display mode. So it's set to tap to show. However, you can set a schedule. So you can set a time when you want it to start and then set a time when you want it to end, or you can simply set it to stay on all day. But there's also a warning note here. Always on display is not available when the battery is lower than 10%. Okay, so I'm going to set it to tap to show. So always on display will turn on with a tap. Yep. Okay, so here we have some images that you can add to the always on display. And you can also add your own custom image. So if you select this option here, select image, you can go into your gallery and add a picture. So I'm just going to add a picture of myself. And then you can show date and time, and you can show notification and battery. So you can either toggle it off or toggle it on. So as you can see, the date and time is there. If I toggle it off, it now disappears. And you can also uncheck that as well if you don't want the notification and battery to show. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit apply and see how it looks. Okay, so that's my always on display. Looks pretty cool. And like I said, there's some images here that you can choose to use instead. If you don't want to use a custom picture, you can use these animated images. So we've got a dolphin there. That's for always on display. Let's have a look at this astronaut guy. Okay, so some of these images are animated and some are static. So there's another animated one. Looks like some bubbles. Okay, so there's different categories. So there's images, there's graffiti. There's artistic, analog, and also digital. So let me just try out one of these graffiti. AODs. Let's have a look at another one. Beyond Freedom. Okay, let's have a look at some of these artistic ones. And there's also different styles as well. And you can change the layout. And there's different colors. So these artistic ones have a lot more customization options by the looks of things. Okay, let's go ahead and apply it, see how it looks. And then we have some analog clocks here. Wow, that looks nice. And once again, you can change the different styles. I'm going to go back to this one. Yeah, this one looks very nice. Okay, so I'm going to apply this. However, it's a bit dark. Let me try to turn up the brightness on the display, see if it helps. Doubt it will. Okay, let's try this blue one. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's have a look at the digital clocks. Okay, so this one's got a little bird in there. Let's apply it, see how it looks. So yeah guys, I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, this was my video taking a look at the always on display on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. And down here there's two options as well, two more options, my AODs. Okay, so my internet connection's not working at the moment. And there's also more. So when you select my AODs, it will take you into the store where you can download more always on displays. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one guys. Deuces.